bit of role given to you as a challenge. It can't be the same as much as possible. This one is something different, which we can't really discuss now. But just abangan nyo na lang. At, yun lang ang masasabi ko. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. And I'm pretty much challenged about the character given to me. And basically, having Direct Eric na maging director natin, parang yun that says it all. So, I'm excited and hopefully you guys support OTJ, the series.
I guess yung challenging po sa akin is, usually nabibigyan po ako ng role na mabait ako, tsaka doting and caring. So to make it different from everything I've done, that's the challenge there. And coming from a different background completely yung character ko from me as a person. So, yun po yun.
Yes.
Yung challenge, marami yan. Tuwing araw kasi nagbabago-bagong nag-affect sa atin. So, ayun. Yun na.
Ang challenge sa akin siguro yung hindi masira yung magandang reputasyon ni Direk Eric sa pagkuha niya sa akin. Kaya nga ako, yun lang, Direk.
Ako po wala naman po challenge. Siguro po yung challenge lang po, yung mapantayan ko po yung acting nila.
Wala pa kasing challenge kasi hindi ba namin nagagawa. Maybe we can talk about it after. But really, we're very excited about the project. Thank you.
We have another question from Ms. Meridor Smart.
Yeah, I'd like to ask the Hope officers,